Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a pepper roti recipe. This is going to be a very simple, easy, basic, long time pepper roti. You all requested this and Abigail especially, she asked me to make this. So I'm sharing my recipe with you all. So to make this, we're going to start with making our pepper paste. We're going to be using scotch bonnet peppers, pimento peppers, garlic and some fresh culantro or shadow benny, and we're going to blend that or pulse it until it's very fine into a paste. So once you have your paste, we're just going to set that aside and we're going to be rolling out 2 paratha loyas. Now I'm using my recipe for this. If you want to see how it's made, I'm going to link it in the description box down below, but I thought I'll just save that step and just show you how we put this together. So you're going to open out 2 of these because we're going to use one for the bottom and one for the top, just like when we're making paratha, when we're making regular pepper roti, sorry. Now this paratha loya, if you live close to a roti shop, you can ask them if they can sell you 2 that's not cooked, and it'll be easy for you to prepare this at home. So we're going to spread the pepper paste throughout the entire surface of the roti. I'm not adding anything else but cheese. Now a lot of you all commented on my seasoned paratha roti that I did a few weeks ago, where you asked me to make this and you told me this is how it was made long ago. So here's my take on it. I'm using pepperjack cheese. You feel free to use that New Zealand cheddar cheese, and we're going to top it with that other piece of paratha that we rolled out. You just want to press down on the edges really well to make sure that it's sealed properly. And I would say this is about 15 inches because my tower is 16 inches in diameter. I'm using some golden ray just to put it onto the surface of the tower, and on a low heat we're going to cook this. And I'm not going to add any more oil or any more golden ray to this while it's cooking. There's already a lot of fat, butter and Crisco in the paratha itself, so I don't want it to be like overly oily, especially that it has cheese in it. So once it cooks for like about 8 minutes on low, we're going to flip it over. You see that nice beautiful crust. Then we're going to flip it again once it cooks another 8 minutes. You want to check it, make sure that it's properly cooked. I'm just going to raise it up here so you all can see. Once it's properly cooked and it's ooey gooey inside, then it will be time to cut it. Now we like it a little extra crispy, so what I'm going to do is cut it up into small pieces, and then I'll remove it from the tower, and then I'll place a few pieces at a time to crisp up. I think when it's really crispy, it tastes so good, but if you like it nice and soft, feel free to leave yours without crisping it up additional. Your kitchen is going to smell so fragrant. So this is me turning over a few pieces to get them extra crisp, because that's how my hubby loves it. Extra crispy. And once it's finished, all you'll have to do is enjoy. How simple and easy was this? So I hope you guys give it a try. I actually prefer it to the potato version. Let me know down below what other recipes you'd like to see, and thank you so much for requesting this one. Bye everyone.